Can you create a custom thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts? Well, you actually can with a clever workaround. Let's get straight to the point, because this is a huge problem and good answers are hard to find. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using Canva for the thumbnail and DaVinci Resolve as my video editor. I've also got a great tip at the end for revitalizing old shorts using part of this fix. Now you're probably thinking, but you can't add custom thumbnails to shorts. It's super easy for long form videos where you can upload a custom thumbnail in YouTube Studio, but for shorts you can't, and YouTube automatically just picks a frame from your video, and it's usually a blurry, horrible naff one, to be honest. So how do we fix this? We put a thumbnail clip inside the video timeline. This can be all done on your desktop. Then use a feature in the YouTube mobile app to select that clip as your thumbnail. It's super easy. I use Canva, but you can use anything you're used to. Keep all the main parts like your text and your face away from the edges so nothing gets cut off on the various screens it's shown in. And secondly, in your video editor, I'm using DaVinci Resolve, as I said, add that thumbnail clip from Canva to the very end of your shorts timeline. It only needs to be a few seconds long. Now, I often grab a still frame from the DaVinci timeline to start the thumbnail off. That way it matches the look of the video really nicely and looks part of your finished video rather than an odd photo stuck in with no rhyme or reason. Then upload your video from your PC to YouTube. Do all the title, description and keywords as normal. Keep it private. When you're finished, open YouTube Studio on your mobile phone. Play and check your video, which is great practice anyway. Then if everything is okay, thirdly, go to your short and tap edit. You'll see a little pencil icon on the video preview. Tap that. Then slide the scrubber all the way to the end, select your custom thumbnail frame and hit save. You can only do this on your phone. And if you've got a Samsung Fold 7 like me, it won't work when the phone is open because it thinks it's a tablet. It will only work when the phone is closed. Now, that really frustrated me until I realized what was going on and how to fix it. So do that, and you've just replaced YouTube's random frame with a strategically designed thumbnail. You are now ready to publish your video with a great thumbnail. If you're finding this useful, please hit that subscribe button. I'm always sharing new tips, and I've got a brand new series of super quick DaVinci Resolve tips, all short videos that I've just started posting. So I think you'll enjoy those. Now let's talk about reviving your old shorts. If a short is underperforming, go back into the YouTube mobile app, tap edit and use that same pencil icon to choose a different thumbnail frame. You're still limited to frames that exist inside your video, but that's much better than a totally random YouTube choice. Just by swapping the thumbnail, you can give a dead video a second chance to pick up a lot more views. So stop leaving your views to chance. Take control of your thumbnails and you'll start to take control of your clicks.